Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have BLACKVIEW A80s and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your Google Play Store game or application are not visible on it. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, scroll and choose settings option where we have our family and their parental controls. Now we have page 3 to visible all game. We need more than page 3 to change it. Tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and now we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!